Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the data, image the M. To immediately, use DD or a cloning utility to avoid further loss. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and remove the module. This prevents static damage. Next, perform a basic diagnostic. Check BIOS/UEFI detection, run SMART to note reallocated sectors and temperature, and test in a known good M2 slot or USB enclosure, so you separate host problems from SSD faults. You now tackle deeper fixes. Update the SSD firmware only if a vendor release addresses your symptom. This can resolve controller issues. Make sure to follow the official flashing procedure and power rules. If detection still fails, reseat and clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl. Inspect the PCB under magnification for blown capacitors or cold solder joints. If the drive is accessible, try a secure erase or factory reset to recover corrupted controller mappings. You finish by reassembling with correct thermal pads and proper screw torque so the controller stays cool and stable. Then validate success. Check BIOS detection, run a sequential read/write benchmark, and review SMART for improvements and restore your backed up image. If problems persist, document error codes and behaviors. Make sure to attempt RMA if under warranty. As a troubleshooting tip, if intermittent behavior remains, try the drive in a different platform to isolate motherboard versus SSD level failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.